This is week 6. We are beginning module 3 of Anthro 30, Critical Thinking. And this is an overview of the module. This is a 2-week module, so it will cover from week 6 to 7, from September 23rd to October the 6th. So if you go and look on your syllabus, which you can find by going to this left main menu, clicking on modules, and it will open up this list, and at the very top of the list is syllabus. Click on that syllabus and that will give you the course schedule on page, I think it's about 3 or 4 of the syllabus. You should always make sure you check this course schedule at the beginning of each module so that you know when the due dates are. And the syllabus has the different colors noted for things due in SkyPack in blue and for things due in Canvas in red. So that's just an example of, it shows you all the due dates here along the right side. So if you go to the section for September 23rd, week 6, module 3, you will see that first up, there is a SkyPack Module 3 quiz due on Sunday, September the 29th, 11:59 p.m., worth 20 points. This quiz will cover the materials that are included in your SkyPack module, which covers the material on race and genetics. And there are several articles and links in the SkyPack, so be sure that you read them. Take notes. You can use your notes or whatever when you take the quiz. And there is no opportunity to retake the quizzes, so make sure that when you take it, you are ready to take it and you do your best on every attempt. So you are going to cover the race and genetics. Should biologists stop grouping us by race? Racial purity is a lie. Here's why. Another article or another video on teaching medical students to challenge unscientific racial categories. And then the module continues with a section on logical fallacies. And there are a few links in there that will show you and kind of give you a demonstration of what are logical fallacies. And these are pretty key points within critical thinking field. So you should make sure that you do watch those videos and you do understand the concept of what are logical fallacies. And again, the quiz will then cover all those materials that are in this first part of the module. And then next week, September 30th, week 7, this is the second part of module 3. For this section, you are going to watch this video, Race, the Power of an Illusion, episode 1. It's actually a 3-part series that aired on PBS a few years ago. So for this module, though, you're only watching the first episode. And there is a 2-part writing assignment that goes along with this, also in the SkyPack. So there's parts 1 and 2. Both parts are due on Friday, October the 4th. And you'll see there's points associated with each part. 20 parts for part 1. Sorry, why is it slipping? 25 points for part 2. And on Canvas, you are going to, once you finish the SkyPack, go to the Canvas discussion board. And that is where you will post a response to the discussion prompt, ideally by Friday also, October the 4th, so that your colleagues will have a chance to read your post and you will have a chance to read theirs and respond to them by Sunday, October the 6th at 11:59 p.m. Those, your post and your responses are worth a total of 10 points. Okay, so this is just to show you what you should see when you open your SkyPack. Along the left menu here, you'll see the module 3. If you click down and go into the race and fallacies, you'll see the text and down all the way down here, followed by a few videos. And then if you click to the next page, that's where the quiz is. Again, do not start taking the quiz and then click out of it, because then you will get penalized for any questions that you did not answer. So make sure that you are ready to take the quiz in its entirety before you start answering any of those questions. Then below that, you'll see the writing assignments here, the writing activities for the episode Race, the Power of an Illusion, episode 1. And as I said, there are 2 writing activities. The first one looks like this, part 1. There are 4 questions, and you are to do this before you view the episode. So make sure that you click through and answer actually all 4 of these questions before you watch the episode. Then the second part is the next slide. The second part has the link to the film. Make sure that you log in with your Fresno State username and password in order to watch the film. And I have heard students have given me feedback, and they say that some of the students are not able to watch the film on their iPhones. So if you are having that same problem, then I would advise trying it on an iPad or a laptop or a desktop. The links do work, but you do need to make sure that you are signed into your Fresno State account at the same time as you're signed into SkyPack. Okay, so once you watch the film, then come back and answer these 5 questions in the second part of the writing assignment. Then, following that, is the discussion board. And you can find it in a couple of places on Canvas. You can either click on discussions here, and it will appear here, discussion board module 3, race as a social construction. Or you can go to assignments and click on that, and it will appear in your list of upcoming assignments, which should appear by date. So this is an extra credit opportunity that if you it's already passed, so if you did not go, then don't mind that. But you'll see your Module 3 quizzes due September 29th, Module 3 writing due October 4th, and this discussion board right here. And that is due October the 6th. That is the due date for your final comments on your colleagues' posts. Remember, your initial post should be posted well before this deadline, otherwise no one will be able to read and respond to your post. Okay, I believe that is it for this module. And if you have any questions, you can always email me or go to the discussion board, and there's a spot on the discussion board for general questions about the course. I prefer that you post them there so that if other people have the same question, I can respond on the discussion board, and you can see, everyone will be able to see my responses. Okay, that's it for this week. I will see you in a couple of weeks.